up, guys? On this video, I'm gonna show you guys my first roof job that I've done myself. I came a long way since I've done this job, but I just want to share it with you guys of how I did my first tile roof job. I didn't have a 12-volt soft wash system. I didn't have all the equipment to do this job in 1 hour. So I basically took on this job without knowing how to do it, and you can learn from my mistakes, and hopefully you don't make the same mistakes. Just check it out.
All right, this is one thing you need to keep in mind. When you shoot the pressure washer, your machine cleans effectively right here, right? But when I get it closer, that's more pressure. The closer the gun is, the more pressure you're gonna put on something. So that means you could damage something like that. It's not, you don't need to go like this. That's not gonna do it. Just go smooth, bro. Try to make sure you don't have any lines in there. Kind of find an area.
That's possible. Try to get it clean like that.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah. And that's it. Just boom. Easy.
So the closer I
Easy money, baby. Oh yeah. That's the way you step, man. You'll get used to it. You ain't gonna slip. Just be careful. I can't reach that corner. Get it for me. I can't reach that corner over there. If you could just hit that for me and I'll go back.
I cannot stress how much time I would have saved if I would have had the soft wash system at the beginning of this job. This job took me basically, I got there from 9 in the morning, finished at 5 in the evening. If I had the soft wash system, it would have took like 2 hours. I would have been done before lunch, and that's including packing up. So take your time. I know this is a perfect video. Basically, will show you guys that the job can get done whether you have a soft wash system or not. So just check out my techniques and build your own techniques, and just go from there. And if you don't have the soft wash system, it's not the end of the world, because the job can still get done and the customers will still be very happy. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Good luck. Peace.
All right, Pop, I'm out of here. Yes, sir. Saturday morning. All right. Thank you.